In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your business operations, creating and sending estimates efficiently is a crucial skill to master. So, let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to the upper left-hand corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the New button. This is your gateway to a myriad of transactions and actions that QuickBooks can perform. And today, we're focusing on the estimates. Once you've clicked on New, a menu will appear. Go ahead and select Estimate from this list. This selection will open up a blank estimate form, where you'll begin to enter the details that will help your client understand the scope and cost of the services or products you're offering. Now it's time to fill in the specifics of your estimate. Start by entering all necessary customer details, which include crucial information like the customer's name, email address, and any other relevant information that will help personalize the estimate. Personalization not only ensures accuracy, but also builds professionalism and trust with your customer. With the customer details in place, continue by itemizing the estimate. This means you'll list all the products or services you plan to deliver, alongside their individual prices, quantities, and any applicable discounts. Taking your time with this part helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that both you and your client are on the same page regarding the work to be done. Once you have all the details squared away in your estimate, the next step is to click on the Review and Send button. This is a crucial step where you'll get the chance to see a preview of the email that will be sent to your customer. At this stage, it's important to look over everything thoroughly. Make sure that all the information is correct and that nothing important has been left out. Now that you're in the edit email phase, take this opportunity to craft a clear and concise message about what you're sending. Remember to maintain a professional tone while still being courteous and friendly. Double-check the recipient email to ensure it's correctly entered, which ensures your estimate lands in the right inbox without any issues. After reviewing everything, and once you're satisfied with how the estimate and accompanying email look, the final step is a simple yet satisfying one. Navigate to the bottom right corner and click Send Estimate. With just that, it's off to your customer's email, swiftly and securely. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully created and sent an estimate through QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you're not only streamlining your business's quoting process, but enhancing accuracy and communication with your customers. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your business effortlessly with QuickBooks Online.